Hello students, let us learn General Science for class 3 from the book Science Squad. Today we are going to learn chapter 17, Measurements. In this chapter, we shall discuss about measurement of mass, length, volume, time and temperature. Let us discuss about measuring the mass, length, volume, time and temperature. Let us begin the chapter. There are some basic scientific quantities such as mass or weight, length, capacity or volume, temperature and time. We have different instruments to measure these quantities. When you look at the picture, you will know how different substances are measured. When you are having fever, you can see your mother inserting a thermometer into your mouth. When a teacher asks you to draw a line, you use scale. You can see a milkman measuring with the help of mug. You can see the vegetables vendor will be having a scale to balance the weight of the vegetables. Therefore, weight of the daily consumables, length of a cloth or a place, and the time all are measured in standard units. What is the meaning of this standard unit? We have standard units of measurement which have fixed values. The names of some standard units that we use are given below. Length is measured in meters, weight is measured in kilogram, volume is measured in liter, temperature is measured in degree, time is measured in seconds. There are different instruments for measuring these units. Let us see how we measure the mass or weight. We can use a balance or a weighing machine to measure weight. The substance need to be balanced is placed on one pan and the weight on the other pan. Generally, weights of food grains, pulses, etc. are measured by different types of balances. In a weighing machine, an arrow moves on a scale and we note the reading. We can buy yourself on a weighing machine. This is a balance. You can see you can balance one of the objects in both placing in one pan and weight on the other pan. Generally, we can see this in the shops of food grains, pulses and all. We can see even the vegetable vendor having this. A boy measuring his weight with the help of a weighing machine. You can see an arrow on the scale shows the reading. Let us see the next way. Larger weights are measured in kilograms. Smaller weights of things like gold, silver are measured in grams and milligrams. 100 grams is 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. Gold is measured by a very sensitive and accurate balance. You can see this in a jewelry shop. Let us discuss how we measure the length. We measure the length in meters. We use rural scale, a meter rod or a measuring tape. A meter scale or rod has 100 equal divisions called centimeters. Each centimeter has 10 equal divisions called millimeters. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meters. 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. The cloth merchant measures cloth by a meter rod. The tailor uses measuring tape to measure our length. Long distances are measured in kilometers. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Let us discuss how we measure the volume of capacity. Look at the following pictures. Can you tell me which jar holds more water? Yes, water in jar A can fill only one glass, while water in jar B can fill two glasses. This is because the jar that can hold more water will have more capacity. Therefore, jar B will have more capacity. Capacity of a container is the amount of liquid it can hold. A measuring glass is used to measure liquids. Liters are commonly used unit for measuring the volume. Smaller units are measured in milliliters. Liter is written as L and milliliters as ml. For measuring larger volumes, liters and kiloliters are used. 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. 1000 liters is equal to 1 kiloliter. These conversions are meant for your solving the problems. Special measuring jars marked in milliliters and liters are used to measure volume. You can see the vessels having different shapes, different sizes gives us different measurement like 50 ml, 100 ml, 200 ml, 250 ml and 500 ml. This is a measuring jug which helps us to measure the liquids. Let us see how we measure the temperature. The standard unit of temperature is degree centigrade. Temperature is measured with the help of a thermometer. We measure the temperature in Celsius or centigrade degrees and also in Fahrenheit degrees. A room thermometer measures temperature in degrees Celsius. A clinical thermometer measures our body temperature in degree Fahrenheit. The temperature of a normal human body is 36.8, which we say as 37 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit, it is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Let us discuss how we measure the time. We can measure the time with the help of a watch or a clock. The dial of a watch or a clock is divided into 12 parts. Each part is further divided into 5 parts, having totally 60 parts. These are minutes and seconds. A watch has 3 hands: smaller hour hand, minute hand and second hand. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Let us have a chapter recap. Measurements are important in science and in our daily life. Standard unit of a quantity is fixed, accurate and accepted by all. We measure weight in kilograms, length in meters, volume in liters, temperature in degrees Celsius, and time in seconds. This ends chapter 17.